Welcome, welcome to RJ Skill, the versatile world. In this lecture, I'll talk about application of eye effect. In application of eye effect, at first I'll talk about stability of carbocation. Simply you can say carbon having positive charge, carbocation. And stability of carbocation. Here simply you can remember this point. Energy directly proportional to charge. Okay, and stability you can say inversely proportional to charge. Just remember this point. This is very simple point. You can easily remember. If charge increases, stability decreases. Okay. So here, if I write first point, suppose A, here I am writing CS3, CS2, CS2 and CS2 plus. If I write here B, CS3, CH, NO2, CS2, CS2 plus. So in this, here CS3, CS2, I told you all alkyl group are so plus I effect. So here plus I group. And here NO2 minus I group. So easily you can understand plus I group donate electron. If donate electron, it means positive charge reduce. And here minus I group, due to minus I group, it withdraw electron. If withdraw electron, it means positive charge will increase. So which one is more stable? Simply you can say A is more stable than B. Charge minimum, stability maximum. Second, if I write here, second question, stability similar stability order of carbocation. Stability order of carbocation. A given CS3, CH2, CS2 plus. B given CS3, CH plus CH3. And C given CS3, C, CS3, CS3 and here plus. So which one is more stable? Or you can write stability order. So if I am talking about stability order of carbocation, so just think here CS3, CS2 plus I group, plus I group. Also here plus I group, plus I group. So I told you I effect is distance dependent. So here from near both group donating electron positive charge reduces. Also here donating electron, donating electron, donating electron. So positive charge reduces. Here 3 group donating electron. Here 2 group. And here this group donating electron. But I told you I effect is distance dependent. So positive charge decreases also here. But most positive charge decreases by option C. So here we can say which one is most stable? C. After that B. After that A. So you can say CBA, stability order. If I write similar, if A is given CH3, CH, here Cl, CH2 plus, and B is given CH3, CH, NO2 and CH2 plus. Which one is more stable? Just here you can think. This is minus I group. Also here minus I group. Okay. If minus I group, then I told you about order of minus I group. So here which can withdraw electron more? NO2. So by withdrawing electron by NO2, positive charge increases. Also here increases but not like NO2. So here which one is more stable? So A is more stable than B. So simply you can say stability of carbocation, stability of carbocation directly proportional to plus I effect and inversely proportional to minus I effect. This is the simple concept, so must remember it. Suppose here one more I am writing. If I write CH3, CH2, CH, here Cl, CH2 plus, B, CH3, CH, Cl, CH2, CH2 plus. So here you can see Cl minus I and also Cl minus I, minus I, minus I. So which can withdraw electron more? This one, because distance dependent, so nearby, so it can withdraw more electron. It can also withdraw electron but not like A. So which one is more stable? B is more stable. If I write this one, suppose A, CH3, C, Cl, Cl, CH2 plus, and B, CH3, CH, Cl, CH2 plus. So just here you can see minus I group, minus I group, so 2. So by 2 minus I group, more withdrawing of electron, so here more positive charge develop. Here only one group, so not like A. So which one is more stable? So you can say B is more stable than A. This is related to stability of carbocation. This is related to stability of carbocation. Next here I am talking about stability of carboanion. Stability of carboanion. In carboanion, simply you can say carbon having negative charge. Carbon having negative charge, carboanion. So similar, if charge, here also you can write energy directly proportional to charge, stability inversely proportional to charge. Simply you can say same thing, but in this case if I write here stability of stability of carboanion. You can say directly proportional to minus I effect and inversely proportional to plus I effect. So here if I write A CH3 CS2 minus and B CH3 CH NO2 CS2 minus. So just here you can think plus I group. So due to plus I group, here electron density increases because donating electron, so charge increases. But here due to minus I group, here just you can think, wait, here I have written this one, B CS3 CH NO2 CS2 minus. Here I told you this is minus I group. So here due to minus I group, withdrawing electron minus I group. So here you can say negative charge decreases. Just think, negative charge decreases. So stability increases. So which one is more stable? B is more stable than A. Next, if I write here A CH3 CS2 minus and B CH3 CH minus CH3 and C CH3 and here CH3 minus. So just think, here plus I effect, plus I group, so donate electron, so negative charge increases. Here from both side donating electron, negative charge increases, and from this side, from this side, so negative charge increases. So if charge increases, stability decreases. So here which one is most stable? Simply you can say A, after that B, after that C. This is the stability order of carboanion. Also you can write, if I write here A CH3 CH NO2 and here CS2 minus and B CH3 CH Cl CS2 minus. So just think dear, here you can see minus I group, also here minus I group, but you know very well, according to priority order, this is the priority order of minus I group. So here which can withdraw more electron? So more electron here by NO2. So NO2 decreases more negative charge. Here decreases but not like A. So which one is most stable? Here you can say A is more stable than B. Also one more, if I write here A CH3 C Cl CS2 minus and B CH3 CH Cl CS2 minus. So just here you can see minus I group. They are also minus I group. But here 2 minus I group. So decreasing more negative charge here, not like A. So which one is most stable? So you can say A is most stable. So this is the stability order of carboanion. Thank you so much for being with RJ Skill, the versatile world.